Okay, welcome to Ronnie's Games. Super jazzed today. Finally got this in. This release came out in, it was supposed to be released March 18th. I finally got mine today. I like the way the box is a little oversized, but they did protect it nice, so I do appreciate that. So this is from Arrow Video. This is the 4K release of Deep Blue Sea. I know a lot of people have already shown this, so I'm gonna just do it real quick. Okay, I already unwrapped it. So you have the slip cover, and then you have a very sturdy box. So there's the box. And then this is pretty cool. You have a booklet about the Aquatica Research Center. And just, I don't know if a lot of this is, I guess, when they were making the movie, storyboards. So that is cool. You also get a poster. So you get the classic poster. Let me get the camera up a little bit. Can't really hold it at arm's length. You get the classic poster, and then of course the new artwork is on the other side. So I will be hanging this up. And then you get the 4K. And there's the back. So it has all this stuff on it. 4K restoration. There's some featurettes and things. So that is cool. And we also got some art cards. So this is one of my favorite movies. I remember going to the theater and seeing this. So these are actually postcards. Greetings from Aquatica. And then there's a cast one. The same thing, it's got nothing compares to the taste of fresh seafood. And then this one. What does this one say? Come in, the water's great. Imagine mailing these to somebody, that's funny. And this is an advertisement for what's coming out next. I don't know what that is. There's that. So, and then you also get, which I'll be changing the artwork. It has the classic artwork. And this is what was on the, because I think I had this on VHS. If I have this at all, it might be a DVD. So, very jazzed to be getting this movie on 4K. I'm gonna turn up my, it's not a surround sound, but it's a little sound bar. I'll be turning that up, and it's got a little subwoofer. Be cranking that up to watch this movie.